Ovia is a leading name in the lighting industry who provides solutions for a broad variety of sectors. Situated in the heart of the Midlands at our 48,000 square foot HQ, we're a family-run business that was formed as a company in 2020, reaching an annual turnover of £16 million from our extensive product line, with over 2,700 trading accounts, providing a full network of wholesalers across the UK. Our 38,000 square foot warehouse and distribution centre allows us to stock over 1,500 product lines with a stock value of £10 million. We're able to offer 97% availability on stock at any given time. From our head office, we design, develop and manufacture for product distribution worldwide. Our trained staff provide a full lighting design scheme through to installer support, ensuring the end user gets the best possible result for the job. Our comprehensive collection of lighting products include domestic downlights, linear and bulkhead utility lights, downlights and panel lighting for commercial space, suspended high bay lights for industrial use, outdoor floodlighting for security, and garden lighting for comfort at home, along with our click-flow connectors for simple wiring and control, all coming together to make Ovia the market leader in the electrical industry.